This faucet is frozen. It will not pivot and swing around like it's supposed to. I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'll show you how to get it worked in. The seam that's freezing, so put a little on there. You might have to rub it in with your finger and then start trying to swing it around. Already it's moved a little. We're going to keep working it in with our finger. Okay, it's finally freeing up a little, but it's so stiff. We'll just keep working it back and forth. There, now some of the oil's starting to get around. Definitely takes some time, but boy is it nice when it moves. Back here, I've had to put more in back there and really force this around. Back here you can actually see some grime coming out of that joint, so be sure and go all the way around. Get rid of that junk. Okay, we are definitely making some progress here. This is much better, but it still needs work. Now that we've cleaned the grime out of the seam, we'll add more oil and work it a little more. Now, finally, it's able to swing freely back and forth. Now, there is a natural stop. It won't go 360, but that's from the hardware, the way it's supposed to stop. It's supposed to swing from sink to sink. So when it is frozen and won't move at all, it's because there's been water splash up in here just over time and usage. And cleaning all the gunk out, oiling it, and a lot of elbow grease is how we solved it.